Hi, good evening. This is Imam Arif from Qatar. Now I'm standing at Qatar airport. Now you see the teddy bear, how it look nice. And now the bigger screen, you can see the Qatar ground and their football stadium. They are showing into this screen, and people are ready to departure, or some are roaming around into the duty free shop. And now I have to move from here, from Qatar to Faisalabad, and my flight is 8:50, and it's a nice evening, and my departure gate is at C, so I'm going to C35, and I'm going towards C35 straight, and you can see how nice this airport is. This is, I think so, Hamad Airport, and Qatar is one of the richest country in the world. It's almost about fourth or fifth ranking in the world, and they are quite rich, and they have a lot of crude oil, which they sell, and they are generating money. And other thing is, they do not have a lot of land,